Let's start with my living room. Last time we had a video here, I was taking out all the Christmas decor. So today is a deep reset around the house. So today we will tackle the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. My windows were dirty. Okay, I had to clean them. This is a cleaning I do once a week, like a deep cleaning. Every day is wiping down, taking this out, this one out. So Sunday or Saturday night, I usually take the time and really deep clean the house. I hope this will help you to get up and clean around your house, especially now is the snow. I hope you save. I hope you and your family are safe. I pray for the one that don't have a house or a shelter where to stay. I hope they are safe and warm. So around this video, you will see my kid go around, my husband, everybody, because everybody is home. So it will always be something. It's always, mommy, can I have this? Or honey, where can I find this? So you will see them around sometimes. Welcome for the one coming here for the first time. My name is Pascaline, as the channel name is Pasil Home. Here we're doing cleaning motivation, decoration, and a little bit of lifestyle. So welcome. Don't forget to like, to follow, and share if you feel it will help somebody you know to get out and clean their house. I hope you enjoy it. I really like the fact that I can clean my wall with kit. I always find something. If I told you that I found a cheese sauce at the door, the back door, I was like, oh my Lord. So when we painted the house, I used the semi-gloss finish. I think it's that. So it's easy to clean, so I can wipe my wall and get the dirt out. That was one of the best decisions I made in this house, because this is was unbelievable. Anyway, doing a reset in my house is setting for the week. Like walking in a house that is clean, smelling good, and all put together is very refreshing and good for me. I did this Saturday night, like go to Sunday. And Sunday I did I bake. I made bread. I made muffins for the snack for the week. I'll usually switch. I'll make cookies or muffins, or it depends. I'll make so many things. I love to bake, not complicated thing, okay? But I will do some snack for the kid when I have time. This weekend is long with the snowstorm, so everybody's locked down. I'm home. I think I'll make more than that. Today I made bread and muffin. Tomorrow, Monday, I think I'll make, I don't know, I'll see, maybe some banana bread, because they love banana bread too. Let me know if you it happened to you to bake sometime to make snack for the kid, or you just buy everything. I do got some baked chips from Costco sometimes, but most of the time I'll make something, get fruit. I did grocery last Thursday, so the house is all set. That was the part that was missing, like have it clean. I love that. I love seeing my house clean. Is set for the week. Like when I go to the shop and come back, everything is clean and put together. I feel good about it. Let me know what is your relaxing thing. My relaxing thing is clean. I'll put music or a movie or a show that I like, and I will enjoy the moment. Or I'll do some painting. That mostly what I'm enjoying and feel relaxed. I did something crazy today. Oh my God. I hope they wake up. You see my palm. This is a new plant I got from Costco. I wanted to have like a palm tree in here. Um, I got it today from Costco. My husband went out and got it from me. And I wanted to give it some water before I install it there. So I put it outside for 5 minutes. And let me tell you, the palm got frozen. I didn't know. When I brought it back inside, everything was fallen. You know, all the leaves was just down, as you can see. And I was like, oh my God, did I just kill this plant as soon it came to my house? So now, hopefully, okay, the plant will wake up and get her. I don't know. Let me know in a comment if it's something you know I can do to get her back to life. It was 5 minutes. Even my daughter was shocked. She was like, Mommy, we put this just 5 minutes to put the water, so I don't have the water on the floor in a house. I'm new to having green real plant in my house. It's really something I'm working on. I have one plant for a time already. I got it from IKEA, inside plant. I got it last summer and it's doing very good. And I did the same mistake with that plant to bring it outside, and after 5 minutes bringing it back inside, the plant was like, I don't know, when somebody's tired and just let their body drop. That's what the leaves are doing now, are looking now. So I'm like, God, please, I hope I didn't kill this um plants. And if somebody there listening to this video know what to do to get that plant back to life, let me know in a comment, and I'll really appreciate.
This, I know I write a lot of sad big shit, but I don't care. I love the way we live. Yeah, this is bliss. Just 17, I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league, I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. Took me home, I had to meet your dad, and everybody thought he'd be mad, but he didn't have gone by. I've had to swallow my pride. After all that I've done, you're still by my side. That's what real love is. We've got a couple of kids. Who'd have ever thought we'd end up like this? Sad big shit, but 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home, I had to meet your dad. And everybody thought he'd be mad.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you had a good time and it motivated you to clean around your house. I feel so good now. And don't forget to like, to share, and let me know what you think about the video.